Hi and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials. Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we continue to create a ring out of this embroidery. How to make this embroidery step by step, I will leave all links below this video, and first lesson you can find here. Let's start. In this video I will show you how to create this kind of base for your ring. As well, you can create this pattern to make it as a bracelet and then put on your embroidery, or you can make a set by making this as an earring or pendant. Then you will have a nice jewelry set. First of all, take a thread quite long, around 1.5–2 meters. Thread should be in the color of your seed beads, what you're planning to use for your beading. From the beginning we will need one seed bead, other color, to make it as a stop bead. Of course you can use the same color, but easier will be if you use other color. Pass through the same bead to the same seed bead 2 times to make it more secure, and leave a tail at around 10 centimeters. Take 8 seed beads. I have here Czech seed beads size 10. Then take 1 seed bead, skip 1, enter to the next one, first rows always the hardest to create. Again, take 1 seed bead, skip 1, enter to the next one. In second row you will have 4 seed beads to make. 1 skip, enter to the next, again 1, skip 1 and enter to the last one. Turn. Now you have seed beads which are standing out, so you just have to fill these gaps in between seed beads with seed beads. Enter. Just fill in all the gaps. Turn. And again. Enter to the each seed bead in between the gaps. If you want to make this base wide or narrow, you will just need to take less seed beads from the beginning. If you want this part would be bigger, then you will need to have 10, 12 or 14, 16, 18, 20. If you want it narrow, so it can be even 2, 4, 6, it's up to you. Again, last seed bead in this row. Turn. And we start again. We continue all the same while we will have our desired length. I will be back to you when my base will be almost ready. Here I have almost ready base. I will continue on this piece and I will show you how we will end up our base. So I'm planning to wear it, I think, on this finger, so for it I will need 1 or 2 rows more, so let's create them. I will try it again here. I think I will need one or two more, but first I have to check how many rows I need then to connect them together. It looks like I will need 1 more, not 2, or 1 or 3 rows I will need to create, so let's check. I create 1, check again. As you can see now they will connect perfectly together. What I need to do is now to check my size for my finger. And size will be good as well. What I'm doing next, I will take off my stop bead and connect parts together this way. Put them next to each other and go go through every seed bead from both sides like a zigzag. Don't skip any of seed beads which are standing out. You have to go with the thread through every seed bead which is standing out from both sides. Before I connect them more securely, I will try it on that it's okay for my finger. It is. Now I can secure this better. Now I will secure my base better by passing again through the seed beads. I will come out next to the tail, this thread what we have left from the beginning, and I will make a knot as well from these two threads to secure them together. Pass through the middle of our base. And we have to sew on our flower. In my next tutorial I will show you how I will create a ring out of this flower. See you in my next tutorial. Have a great day. Bye!